Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online English language classes we offer. As you may know, I've been away on holiday. That's why I haven't made any of these videos for the last couple of weeks. I spent the last few days down on the south coast of England with my wife and my kids, and we only arrived back in London quite late last night. We drove back and we stopped off a couple of times along the way. Once we got back home, we suddenly realised that we had hardly any food in the house, but the kids were hungry. We had a quick look through the cupboards and to see what was left in the fridge, and there really wasn't much. There was a tin of chickpeas, there were a couple of old onions, there was a courgette that had seen better days, to be honest, and a red pepper and a little bit of rice. "Oh well," I said, "it's not ideal, we'll just have to make do." If you make do, or say that you'll have to make do, you mean that you'll manage in a situation, even though it's not ideal, even though you don't necessarily have all the things that you want to have. To give you another example, when I first left home, I was renting an unfurnished flat and I didn't have enough money to buy a bed. So basically, I had to make do with some cushions on the floor and a sleeping bag. In the same way, if you can't afford a new bookshelf, you might make do with some bricks and some pieces of wood that you find in the street. If you don't have cupboards, you make do with boxes instead. And maybe if you're trying to open a bottle of wine, but you realise you don't have a corkscrew, you might have to make do with a chopstick and apply some pressure onto it and hope that the wine doesn't go everywhere. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you share it with your friends and your colleagues and your students. Click the like button, it helps us with the algorithm. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times you didn't have exactly what you needed and how you managed to